What is your coin collection thumbprint? Now, before I jump to the coins that I decided to keep in my collection before I ended up purging everything, I do want to stress to all of you this one point. And if anything you could take away from this video is that your coin collection is yours. And what I mean by that is that your identity, right? Your likes, your interests, the research that you put into it, the hard work that you put into the money that you've saved to purchase those items, whatever the case may be, your coin collection is yours. Don't let me or other people within the stacking community tell you how you should stack your coins. You do what is best for you. And I posted a video recently saying that I was getting rid of all of my junk silver, and I expected an onslaught of people yelling at me like they did when I said I was selling all of my silver. And in fact, it was very, very different. So the comments that I got in support of my purge of my junk silver is the main reason that I decided to make this video, right? It was to express the same sentiment that no matter what I or other people on YouTube say, you should buy whatever is best for you. And don't let anybody persuade you otherwise, unless there's something that's a really bad idea and you're going to lose money on something, that's a little bit different, but you have to buy what is best for you. Now, let's take a look at my coin collection, and I'm going to explain to you why I kept some of the items that I did and why I sold off some, and you might want to do the same. So this here is basically my identity for now when it comes to my coin collecting. I told you guys in a recent video, actually a bunch of my videos, that I was primarily stacking silver and gold for the weight, but eventually I moved away from that, got heavy into collecting. I was just buying all sorts of high-end, pricey items, stuff that is way beyond, in my opinion, what 1 ounce of silver or 1 ounce of gold should go for. But I was in this kind of downward spiral, lack of focus, just collecting these items that had just such limited releases and they commanded such a high premium. And then eventually I basically scaled down. I got rid of a lot of my collectible stuff, but I did hang on to some. One, because some of the items I just absolutely love, and plus some of the items are good to have as props for future videos. Having said that, I got rid of a lot of my silver, which I had mentioned also in previous videos. I got rid of a lot of my junk silver. I have very little left, maybe $20 face value, maybe a little bit more. Stuff that I'm going to use for future giveaways and also for future videos. But what you see here is a collection of some of my favorite stuff, and I'm going to share this with you and tell you why I kept some of these items and why the other items I got rid of. Now, I recently did a video right here showcasing the Hawaii Minting Authority's silver round that they sent me for review. Definitely check out that company. They're giving away 51% of their profits to agriculture in Hawaii, so you definitely want to check them out. But because of their presentation, which was really, really nice, plus because of what they actually do, this was something I decided not to auction off. I decided to keep this for myself. I thought that it was a great company to work with. I was very, very honored that they decided to share that with me. So it's got a little bit of a sentimental value to it, even though I just started communications with them. What you see here too is some of my gold. I put these in here just for setup purposes. This is actually the Queen Anne's Revenge coin and the Royal Fortune, and the reason I decided to hang on to these is because these command a crazy premium now. Queen Anne's Revenges at the time of the filming of this video go for around $100 or more, and the Royal Fortunes are around $70, and these started off around $30, $32 a piece. My recommendation is when you see the third one in this release come out, you guys back up the truck and you buy those. But very, very beautiful coins. I decided to keep them because of the collectability, because of the design. That's why I kept those. But here I just have my gold coins. These are the only slabbed gold coins that I have. I did have other slabbed gold coins in the past, but I ended up selling those. These were actually given to me as a gift from a very, very generous subscriber. Two of these right here are for my children. This one is for one of my boys. This is for the other, and this one is mine. The other gold that I had in slabs, I bought because I had them at a good deal, but I got rid of them because I didn't have any kind of sentimental attachment to them. What you see in here are some of my pre-33 stuff. I used to have these kind of in a particular order, and sometimes for the sake of filming videos, I kind of just throw them in real quick. In fact, while I'm talking to you guys, I can quickly fix that. But right here, I've got one of the Incuse Indian heads. This is a $2.50 gold piece. These command quite a premium on them just because of the numismatic value, and they're not making these anymore. These are wildly popular right now. I'm debating on getting the $5 one, but this is just a piece of history, so I decided to keep that. I do have a very small pre-33 gold collection, which I'm trying to find for you guys. Should be a little bit more organized. So here they are. These are the half eagles, or what are the? I can't ever get them correct. What is these? What are these? The $5 half eagles. I know there's going to be a couple people like, how does this guy have a YouTube channel? How's he selling this stuff and he doesn't know what they're called? Yeah, well, I like I said, I never said I'm a numismatist. People know what they are, right? If you guys are watching the video and you know what these are, whatever. And those of you that don't know, go research it. But these are the $5 Liberty heads, I think they're called. I don't flipping know. But these are the half eagles. I know that the full eagles are the $10 pieces. The double eagles are the $20 gold coins. And so these are the $5. So these are the half eagles. But these are just, like I said, a piece of history. And I got these at a reasonable price. So I decided to get these just because they are very pretty. I can't decide if I want to get more pre-33 gold or not. If I find the right piece and the right deal, I'll buy them. Actually, I'll just leave these out so you guys could kind of look at them. And then here's the, is this the $10? Yep, here's the full eagle, $10 Liberty head. This is close to about a half an ounce of gold here. So just a beautiful piece. But then going along the lines of the pre-33, I've got the St. Gaudens. This is the 1907 St. Gaudens. This was the first pre-33 gold coin that I actually bought. Actually, no, actually, I did have a double eagle, but it was kind of really all toasty. It was kind of really worn down. So I traded that in and ended up getting this St. Gaudens gold coin. Why am I showing you guys all this? Here's the Indian head right here. And this is the $10 one. Again, guys, my collection is very different than a lot of yours, and that's the purpose of this video. Everybody is going to be collecting things differently, and you want to basically watch the YouTube videos for the knowledge, get the opinions of people, get the knowledge, but eventually do what you feel is best for your stack. The videos that I post, I always say that they are mainly just, they're all opinion based. A lot of the people that are on YouTube in the stacking community, it's just opinions, right? And you know what they say about opinions, right? Everybody's got an opinion, and I'm going to keep this G-rated, but you want to listen to people that have experience with buying and selling silver and gold. If you're looking at buying silver and gold for a long-term hedge against inflation for savings, and you're looking for deals, and you want to get the insight of other people, it's better to have more than just one source of information. But I will be completely honest with you. I've been buying and selling silver and gold for the last few years now. I've got my auction, got my website, and I feel like I do have a good sense of what is good for resale. Okay. And so for those particular items, I feel like when you are looking for coins to flip as a speculative purchase, as something that you want to make money on, there's channels that you want to be watching specifically for that. So mine, Silver Huskies, Guido Stacking, there's a bunch of channels that you would want to watch for that purpose. But you definitely want to, again, like I said, do your research and formulate your own opinion. I did buy the Marvel coins because I had a comic book collection as a kid. I ended up selling them under the pressure of my wife. I regret selling them completely. This was my way of kind of collecting something that has to do comic book related theme. And, you know, I do have that precious metals content and the new semi-numismatic value for these coins. These were given to me as a gift over here. These were from Grog the Devourer. He saw a video that I posted that I loved the Privateer series, but because of the premiums on them, I didn't buy them. And he sent me the entire set as a gift. I was totally blown away. That was the first gift that I ever received from a viewer of this magnitude. And so I was just taken aback by it. And so I was so appreciative that he did that. And so this is a permastack thing here. You could look at these for a long, long period of time. I ended up keeping the Australian shipwreck coins. There's only going to be 4 in this series. They are the first triangular coins made in bullion. So I decided to keep these. There's only going to be, like I said, 4 of them. And I figured, you know what? I'll keep these. It'll be good for collector's pieces. And if I ever do decide to sell them, they're unique enough that I feel like they would have a very good upsale. And some of these are already commanding a high premium just because, you know, people kind of missed out on them or didn't pay attention. And now that these have been basically sold out, people getting into stacking, they see these, they're curious about them, they want to buy them, and they pay a higher premium. So I ended up keeping these just because they're cool. You know, they're unique. These constitutional silver coins, I kept these because these actually were passed down from my great grandparents. You know, the value of these are just, you know, what you would get for, you know, just their average circulated, you know, Morgan and Peace dollars. But, you know, they have sentimental value, and that's why I ended up keeping these coins. You see what I'm saying, guys, though? Like, you know, everybody's stack is different. You know, what your stack says about you is that you are a unique individual. It shows what you like, what you could afford, what you researched, what you put time into in developing a strategy. There's a lot that goes into it. And so everybody's stacking thumbprint is different, right? Your coin collection thumbprint is unique to you, and you should keep it that way. What do we have here? Some Canadian gold here, right? We got the maple leafs. I like these just because they're 24 karat, right? They are 4/9 fine, and they are nice. You know, they've got like a good weight to them. Now, yeah, they're 1 ounce, as are the gold eagles. These have 1 ounce of gold. These are heavier though because they are, as you can see, larger coins. They've got more metal content in there. They got some copper, but you know, these just are a really nice compact coin. These actually fit in these small slots here, which is why I like them. I got a couple 1/4 ouncers. I had more, but I ended up selling them. What else do I got? Recent acquisition, the Britannia. This, to me right now anyway, is my favorite gold coin that I own. Just a beautiful gold coin. And so I really, really am just so happy with this. I posted a video not too long ago showcasing how all the security features make this coin a very desirable coin to own. Got the Mexican 50 pesos here. Just one of those bucket list coins. It's a more expensive coin. I saved up for it, bought it. Buffaloes, proof buffalo. But bottom line, guys, and I appreciate that you're watching this video and you stuck with me as long as you did. But I want to express to you, just because the videos I post and other people post on YouTube are talking their opinions, you want to stack what's good for you and what you like. Simple as that. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.